How to save money on clothes. Whether you're a fashion enthusiast or just looking to cut down on clothing expenses, we've got some great tips for you. So let's dive right in. 1. Assess your wardrobe. The first step to saving money on clothes is to assess your current wardrobe. Take a good look at what you already have. Are there items you rarely wear or no longer need? Decluttering your closet can not only help you see what you actually need, but can also potentially make you some extra cash by selling or donating those unwanted pieces. 2. Create a budget. Next up, create a clothing budget. Determine how much you can comfortably spend on clothing each month or season. Having a set budget helps you avoid impulsive purchases and encourages more thoughtful shopping. 3. Thrift shopping. Thrift shopping is a fantastic way to save money on clothes while finding unique and stylish pieces. Check out local thrift stores, consignment shops, or even online platforms like eBay, Poshmark, or Depop for secondhand treasures. 4. Sales and discounts. Keep an eye out for sales, discounts, and coupons from your favorite stores. Sign up for newsletters and follow their social media accounts to stay informed about upcoming promotions. Remember, patience can save you money. 5. Shop out of season. Shopping for clothes out of season can be a game changer. Retailers often offer huge discounts on off-season items to make room for the latest trends. So snag those winter coats in the summer and swimsuits in the winter. 6. Quality over quantity. Invest in high-quality, timeless pieces that will last longer and never go out of style. It's better to have a few versatile items that you wear frequently than a closet full of cheap, disposable fashion. 7. DIY and upcycling. Get creative with DIY projects and upcycling. Repurpose old clothes or add your personal touch to existing pieces. This not only saves money, but also lets you express your unique style. 8. Clothing swap parties. Consider hosting or attending clothing swap parties with friends or in your community. It's a fun way to refresh your wardrobe without spending a dime. Plus, you can discover new styles and give your old clothes a new home. 9. Use cashback and reward programs. Take advantage of cashback and reward programs offered by credit cards or shopping apps. These programs can help you earn money or discounts on future clothing purchases. 10. Final thoughts. All right, before we wrap up, remember that saving money on clothes doesn't mean sacrificing your style. With these tips, you can build a stylish and budget-friendly wardrobe that suits your unique tastes. That's a wrap for today's video. If you found these tips helpful, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more money-saving and fashion tips. Also, share your favorite money-saving clothing hacks in the comments below. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay stylish and savvy with your savings. See you in the next video.